It isn't often that I recommend an app, but I am so impressed by the bird identification app produced free by Cornell Labs, that I have no hesitation in giving it a thumbs up. After downloading the app to your phone, you need to download the bird recognition data for the region you want. As I live in Croatia, I use the full European pack, but there are many more to choose from, and new data packs frequently become available. For me, the Sound ID section is very useful. Start it up and the app will scan for birdsong. You can see the scanning in progress at the top of the screen. When a birdsong is recognized, it is listed on screen with an image of the bird. The selection will color yellow when that bird species can be heard. While you are recommended to use the app in quiet surroundings, the app cuts through background noise very well and over quite a distance. After you stop recording, the data is automatically saved and the screen then allows you to listen to sample songs of the birds listed. You can also select a bird and play what you have recorded. Should you wish, you can delete your recording. You can easily access your previous recording and select one to the main screen. In all your recordings, you can access samples of the recognized birds or your actual recording. You can quickly start a new recording from any screen in the app. Other possibilities within the app is the Start Bird ID option. You can fill in data about birds identified and even pin them to a location. Another option is Photo ID. For this you need to download the photo pack for your chosen area. I hope you will get as much pleasure and satisfaction in discovering the bird life around you as my family does.